What's up, everyone? This is Tresmark out of Miami, Florida. I've been a part of Forex now for about a month and a half, and it's been an excellent experience so far. Just the overall coaching that we get, from different mentors and leaders is beyond any. Special shout out to Philip, man. Thank you for taking the time out, brother, to make sure that we really understand everything. You literally sit here and pour into us day in, day out, making sure you left no one behind. You explain everything from scratch to us, and you make sure that every single person on this team understand before you move on. And that's just a great testament of your leadership, man. And you're just making sure that everyone is truly get this for what it is and be successful. And I go strongly by this quote that they say, you give a man a fish for a day, they will eat, but you teach a man to fish, they will eat for a lifetime. And you're making sure that you're setting us up for a lifetime, brother. So thank you very much for your help. Thank you. Appreciate you, man.